our natural gas chicken rotisserie oven. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length, left and right, of 46.5 inches, a depth of 19.25 inches. We have a height of 42.5 inches tall. Coming inside, you have 5 skewers that will be included with this chicken rotisserie oven. Coming inside will be 5 skewers that will be included with this chicken rotisserie oven, with each fork that can be loosened depending on how narrow or widened you want them to be. Got infrared burners for each row, and the interior dimensions, we have a depth of at least 13 inches with a height of at least 39.5 inches tall. Coming to the side is your switch along with knobs to control each individual burner separate or simultaneously. Coming to the side is the ETL certification along with BTU information for this chicken rotisserie oven. And coming to the back, we have our 110/120 plug included with this chicken rotisserie unit. Included with this chicken rotisserie oven will be a propane conversion kit, the regulator, along with a match to ignite. For more information, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.